G'day and welcome to the roadside holiday lunch here. It's camping and it's camping easy. We are set up here at the back of the Rover and this is us doing an outdoor barbecue lunch using some of the things and some of the ways that we like to do it and make it easy. The camper, the truck, everything is dirty, but we've pulled up here and we've got a lovely campsite to make our holiday lunch.
So I always tell people I'm a lazy camper. I'm going to let you in on a few of my tips and tricks. We've got the lamb ready and the food ready to go, and we're just going to show you how we do it easy at SEQ Campers. We're doing an almond and rosemary crusted lamb for lunch today, and Shane's just going to go over there and rinse the veggies. While I turn on our new Ninja here. So the Ninja is really easy to use. I've got it set at 200 degrees for 2 minutes and I just start that to get it heating up. As soon as that's heated up, I'm just gonna put my butterfly lamb in there just to grill it on both sides quickly before I start the cooking process. So one of my tricks in just making life easy when I'm camping is I use HelloFresh. And it just means that I get restaurant quality meals even when I'm out. I've got all the ingredients for 2 people. This menu does say mashed potato, which I have my little Ninja there. I'm not really going to be making mashed potatoes, so I'm going to be making roasted potatoes. And to make roasted potatoes, I just put a little bit of vinegar and olive oil and salt on there before I cook it. And that's just a little trick that I've learned over the years, a little bit of acid with your oil to get really good roasted potatoes. I'm just going to go pre-cook my butterflied lamb quickly, and then I'm going to cover it in almond crust and Dijon mustard. That's just been in there for 2 minutes now, and it just means that it's a little bit roasted inside. I'm taking this lamb out, and it's just a little bit cooked, and I'm gonna put on the Dijon mustard, which from HelloFresh comes pre-prepped. So I can just put that on really easily here. HelloFresh means I also don't need a lot of utensils to go with it. And I just put on the crusted almond and rosemary here. Once I've done that, it goes back in the air fryer for another 6 minutes. So I'm just going to bake these potatoes in here first. I'm going to put them in there for about 10 minutes, and then I'm going to put the broccoli and the carrots on top of it so that it's all ready at the same time.
So it's always important to help the chef out here. I do my part. Look at that. Beep, beep. I think we're almost done.
We're all done. That's
right?
it. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So that's that. That's our almond crusted with rosemary butterflied lamb, baby broccoli, baby carrots with Dutch carrots with roasted potatoes, and we're ready to eat. So let's set up Shane and have our holiday lamb meal. Thank you for watching. That was our almond crusted lamb leg with baked potatoes, Dutch carrots, baby broccoli. And that took me about half an hour to make from start to finish over here. So that was easy. Shane's been setting up camp while I've been cooking, helping me a little bit and doing his most important job of pouring me the wine. And now we're ready to enjoy. Keep following us for more tips and tricks and watch more of Cooking with Maud.